Hi, welcome to my video. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and today I'm going to be doing our July club transfer bowl of cherries. And I love it because when I was a little girl we used to have a cherry tree, 3 cherry trees in our backyard, so I love this transfer. It's going to be so cute. But this is our club transfer. It's exclusive to club members and designers only. And if you are a club member, you will get B-size transfer. You get 3 paste packets like this. The colors you'll be getting with this transfer will be Candy Apple, Cadet, and Ocean Mist. And the perks of being a club member, it's $19.99 a month, free shipping, and it's a minimum of 3 months, and it is a subscription. You also get other perks with becoming a club member. You get flat rate shipping, $4.95 for US, $9.99 Canadian on any of the orders you place on my online store. And this month, the special month, they usually have some kind of special, or most of the time they have special for club members. This month it is if you spend $100 US or 126 US dollars, and that's before tax and shipping, on my online store, you will get a free A-size retired transfer. Also this month, if you sign up or if you are already a member, you will get shipped with your club transfer our new autumn winter catalog, the 2021. It's called Chalk Style, and they now call it a magazine instead of a catalog. But you'll get all your autumn, fall, Halloween, Christmas, winter. They've got a lot of different things this time. They've got new cutouts, new colors, paste, and I think ink. They have new ones. But they have actually now you're able to purchase, if you just want a color rather than buying the whole jar, certain colors they have in single packs that you can now purchase. And that is my project. It is, like I said, this month's July. If you month commitment, it's $19.99 a month, free shipping. and it usually may get charged around the 5th, and they mail it out somewhere around the 6th, 7th, 8th, somewhere in there. And if you're interested in any of this Chalk Couture, becoming a member, joining my team, all the details are below. To my online store, in the links. Please comment, subscribe to my channel, and I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.